using Interprotect 2000E barrier coat and West Marine blue anti-fouling bottom paint today. Sanding. Done putting the barrier coat on. This is what it looks like. Hopefully it's easy. Today I will be working on varnishing the floorboard for the cockpit. And this is what I'll be using to varnish it. This is my first attempt at varnishing. So we'll see how it goes. My neighbor is doing stuff to their lawn, so hopefully you can hear me. I'm going to start by sanding this down with some sandpaper I found in my basement. So the board is all sanded down now, and I'm going to rinse it down with the hose. I think I took most of the old varnish off, but we'll see. So I was advised not to wash down this board or I would not be able to varnish it today, so I'm just gonna be wiping it down with a rag. Hopefully that does. Had to buy a new 1-inch China bristle brush. This should be good for the polyurethane varnish I'm using. One thing I noticed after opening this teak or this varnish is that on the directions it says right at the bottom, not recommended over teak wood. And this is teak wood. So here's what it looks like now that it has been varnished. At least the first coat. I'm probably going to put a second coat on either later tonight or tomorrow. I didn't really get the bottom of it. I'm not sure if I need to do the bottom of it. It's kind of hard to get at, so I just left it as it is. So, yeah.
still think that's tape.
Yeah.
Oh, it's definitely tape, yeah. You can see. What do you think?
Before, after. So on my way out from painting my boat, I backed out of the driveway and my car just stayed in reverse, and I cannot shift it out of reverse. It's a manual car and the shifter is just flopping around in the gearbox. So I just called, me and my dad just called AAA. They're gonna come tow the car, and yep, it'll be an hour and a half home. I got work tomorrow, so not a great end to the night.